How are you reading Rahul Gandhi's decision finally not to face you in Amethi this election?
I think it's a proclamation of defeat, and for the so-called family bastion now to be bereft of any family member is extremely telling. The Prime Minister, in his very erudite fashion, had said that post the voting in Wayanad, Mr. Gandhi will look for another seat. The Prime Minister, it turns out, was absolutely right. The Prime Minister also said that today Congress leadership, and especially the First Family, is running for cover. The Prime Minister was right on mark. His pronouncement was 2 months before the election, which is coming through today. And that is why I'm buoyant about the fact that we will see Prime Minister Modi returning to office with an overwhelming majority.
Ms. Irani, over the last few days, there has been buzz on social media by a certain section about how things are difficult for Smriti Irani in Amethi. And, that's why she's on the back foot in Amethi. How do things change today with today's decision?
I think that the Congress ecosystem is extremely well entrenched in deepfakes. The Congress ecosystem is very well entrenched in creating a palpable situation that many think will leverage well for their dynasts. I think that the decision taken by the First Family, especially after recognizing the realities of what confronts them now in Amethi, is a message to even those who sit in their so-called proximity, who are hoping that fake videos can help them create an atmosphere of victory for Rahul Gandhi. I think today is nothing but a decided slap in the face for such people. I believe that चुनाव ट्विटर पर नहीं टेबल पर लड़ा जाता है और टेबल पर आप चुनाव तभी लड़ सकते हैं जब आपने हर गांव में कोई ना कोई काम किया हो. And I think one needs to also here highlight, Shiv, that I have been here an MP only for 5 years, whereas this has been a Congress bastion for 5 decades.
Yeah.
So it's a comparative between 50 years of the Gandhi family and 5 years of the Modi government. Also significantly, if I look at the recent past, it is a comparative of 15 years of Rahul Gandhi being an absentee MP and 5 years of me being an MP, of which 2 years we had confronted Corona. So today, definitely, in every Gram Sabha, we have citizens saying that if it was possible for Modi government and Smriti Irani as their representative on the ground to do so much work, so much so that today 4 lakh families only in the past 5 years now have a toilet in individual households, which means that when the Gandhis were in the seat of power in Amethi, 16 lakh, if you look at the family size of 4 per family, 16 lakh people were defecating in the open. Today, 19 lakh citizens in Amethi receive free ration from Prime Minister Modi. Every citizen here has received the Corona vaccine. I myself was on the ground during Corona, going from one village to another. So the comparison is obvious, and that is why in the comparative, because the First Family was miserably failing, they decided to opt out of the race, thereby proclaiming even today while their candidate was filing a nomination that Amethi for the First Family and the Congress party is a lost cause politically.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.